Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one before, but it's been several weeks since the last update. But after today's price action and good solid volume, wanted to get things updated here a bit. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. And the ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the best and the healthiest is if the price stays above 52 cents for a very logical reason when you stop and think about it. So I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but hopefully I do when I say that, breakouts that are truly breakouts are going to continue to break out. The price is going to continue to move forward. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if something's a breakout, it's going to continue forward. So with that in mind, think about 52 cents. If the price closes below there, or worse yet, separates to the downside, what's that doing to the chart at that point in time? That's literally putting it back inside of this range where it already was. So which would tell us that this breakout here, well, it actually just wasn't a true breakout because, well, it's right back to where it started. Now, am I saying that if it falls below $25 or falls below 52 cents, that the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that is in regard to the entire chart. I am just talking about specifically, this kind of breakout move that happened today. Is this breakout move, truly the start of something bigger, a true breakout? Well, let's start to see progress forward, and I'm just quantifying and defining quote-unquote progress as 52 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For this, got to scrunch up the chart a little bit, and for those of you that have been with this for a while, I'm sure this will come as no surprise, but right up here at 56 cents is definitely still key level of resistance. Now, the good news is I would agree that it was definitely weakened up today. Many times today, the price was able to push up above it, but when all the dust had settled, you can see that the price is still essentially stuck right inside of this, area right around 56 cents. And that's the thing with supports and resistance levels. They're not exact specific prices. They do have a range element to it. So given you can see, that the price is kind of just getting stuck up within this range of 56 cents. But, all in all, though, great day. Now the question really just becomes, is this the start of something bigger? Is this beginning of a much stronger breakout? Let's see if the price can make progress forward. Still 4 days left this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.